5th of November, Bonfire Night. Able to Speak by Marjorie Bukhari. As the autumn evenings grow crisp and cool, November arrives with an abundance of beautiful bonfire night fireworks to warm things up. Wrap up snug and go to one of the capital's many firework displays to enjoy a show of spectacular colours. This is an extract taken from one of the advertisements for firework displays in London tonight. And here are some key words: autumn, November, crisp and cool, abundance, wrap up, snug, displays, spectacular. And here are some yummy toffee apples with chocolate too, a traditional food at the bonfire celebrations, and they're really yummy too. And here is an excerpt from an English folk verse. Remember, remember, the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Guy Fawkes and his companions did the scheme contrive to blow up the king and parliament all up alive. 70 barrels laid below to prove old England's overthrow, but by God's providence him they catch, with a dark lantern lighting a match. So the whole of the fireworks and the bonfires this evening are to actually celebrate the capture of Guy Fawkes and the foiling of his plot to blow up Parliament.